the markets have been bloody. Okay, just filled with the streets are filled with the blood of paper-handed, worm-armed, egghead-brained traders who don't know what they're doing, and they're panic selling. They're selling at lows. They're selling at losses just because, I don't know, just panic, just fear, just crept into their hearts and just exploded. And then all these vultures and whales come and just pick up all the little scraps that they sold off. So the question is, what did you buy? What did you buy during this flash crash? Because I didn't see it as a crash. I saw it as a discount sale. You know what I'm saying? I saw it as I'm going to Publix and I saw that chicken tender sub. It's half off. And I'm buying up as much as I can. So I don't know what you bought or sold. Tell me in the comment section down below. Hopefully you didn't sell anything, right? But there is a whale out there that bought up like tons and tons of 500 bitcoins, and they added it to their wallet. And it is an incredible amount. And this video is just going to start dissecting this wallet whale move, and because we could definitely learn something from here. We could stop playing around in these like little coins that might or might not shoot off, and refocus our goal onto Bitcoin here. Okay, so here's what this is. There's this article here. It says Bitcoin buying the dip. Third largest Bitcoin wallet just bought $23 million of BTC. 500 Bitcoin to its stash. It just added, and this whale bought 490, and then it bought it at $46,800, face value of $23 million. They bought it at Coinbase from a Coinbase wallet. Typically, when these whales buy such massive amounts, they talk to Coinbase directly. They're like, bing, 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 bing. Hey, Coinbase, yeah, I'm a whale and I'm about to buy up a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Can you work something? And then they use their trades and they trade with them. They don't go on their phone and they start trading. That suckers for you and me, okay? And so this whale wallet just did it, September 8th, which is what my time right now, but you're watching this September 9th probably. And this whale holds 4,000. It's the third largest Bitcoin whale wallet. That's incredible. Not that it's the biggest person, the person that holds the most Bitcoin. That's not true, and because sometimes a lot of times they'll split up their coins in different wallets. Okay, so they were holding 4,000 more BTC than their all-time high at 65,000, bringing its worth to $5 billion. I want to show you the whale wallet. Here it is. And look at this $5 billion whale wallet. $5,100,284,315.52. Here's the wallet. This is all they play with. It's just Bitcoin. What are we gonna get today? Bitcoin. What? No more no Bitcoin. Ethereum. No Bitcoin. So not that they're not playing in those. Of course, this is just their Bitcoin wallet. Of course, they're probably in other things. Who knows how much this net worth this person has? But this person is buying up the dips. They saw El Salvador, right? They saw it became the first country that institutionalized Bitcoin. I think it was manipulation. I think that El Salvador went and bought Bitcoin, and then the powers that be, the Shadow Council or whatever, they dropped the price just to show El Salvador. And when they dropped the price, the liquidations dropped it even further. And because people are trading on margin trading leverage, so if you don't know what that is, go check out my other video on that. And of course, the altcoins are going crazy. So I mean, the whole market lost about $330 billion in the crypto market. So it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, but this whale is making moves during this time. Now, you might be asking, what other moves have they made? Well, I'm glad you asked, because this whale, mysterious Bitcoin whale, earlier in August, okay, July, August, mysterious whale who sold at 60K bought over 17,000 Bitcoin between 30 and 39K. So this person basically doubled their Bitcoin hold. They sold 60,000 of Bitcoin, dollars of Bitcoin, and bought over 17,000. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's awesome. That's amazing. So, this is amazing. Bitcoin's over 50% drop from April 21 highs at 65,000 just months ago caused overall market sentiment to turn more. So this was in July. And so when they sold, and here's the address, and the address is always be available to you. And this person sold at the top. And that's what I'm talking about. A lot of us who don't know better, like me, little lizard brain, we overthink things, okay? We overthink things. This guy's, he's not a lizard brain. He's a lizard brain, but he's not overthinking things. It's high right now. It's at its all-time high. I'm holding a lot of Bitcoin. I'm gonna sell it, bam. And then it drops, and then he buys it at literally half off, which is amazing. So he just basically doubled his bag. And this is amazing because you and me, we just go so gripped by the panic here. And I don't know what you did during this last flash crash, but just know there will be more. There will be more crashes. There will be more blood. Oh, there will be blood. You and I have to have the resolve, have to have the staying power, the fortitude. When that thing drops, we buy. If you don't have any money, if you don't have any money to buy, there's two things you're doing wrong. One, you're not selling your profits. If you're hitting all-time highs with the other coins, you're not selling your profits. You and I must sell the profits. Not financial advice. This is just entertainment. This is just my opinion. You do what you want. But when you take a little bit of profit, 10, 20%, we could then buy that dip. Okay? So that person sold at their high. No one knows. No, I don't care if that Bitcoin whale wallet, they have a cajillion dollars. They don't know when the markets crash. But he was patient, or she was patient, and that 60,000 dropped, boop, 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 and they bought in right at 30,000, which is quite amazing. And that's what we needed to do. We need to take control of our emotions. You and I, we can't be overcome by, a lot of us are freaking out, are panic selling, or overcome. Take a chill pill. Just pause. Cowboys, we have poise. We are reserved. We don't scramble. We don't freak out. Okay, us cowboys, we stick together. We ride it out. That's why it's so important to be part of a community. So join the saloon. Hit the subscribe button down below if you want to roll with me and a whole bunch of other cowboys. Join the saloon where we're always talking, making sure that, hey, you know what? Don't do this. That's stupid. Get into this coin. Don't get into this coin. All that kind of stuff. And better believe that whale is not swimming by himself. There's a school of whales out there just moving and grooving out here, and they're talking to each other. So you need to make sure that, hey, we are taking profits at the top, we're buying the dip. And the second thing is, hey, if you're working a job, if you're doing other stuff, pour some money into Bitcoin every so often. Pour a little $25 here, $50 here. They add up, especially in crypto, because it starts going up. Anyway, not financial advice, of course, just my opinion. Don't overthink things. Just have a little lizard brain, gorilla arms, diamond hands, cowboys ride together. We're going to the moon. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.